we haven't got any straps to strap the car. Copart sandwich. It is disgusting inside. All of these wires, this is the way it came. I've not been able to get the car to start. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. We got something a little bit different. I'm gonna be filming this kind of like a vlog. Now, you guys always tell me that I'm doing too many BMWs. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I recently bought a Range Rover, and I recently bought a Golf R, and I recently bought a few other things. Well, today we're picking up one of those vehicles. I'm waiting for my guy Ollie to come pick me up. We're gonna go get a trailer, and we're heading down to Copart in Sandwich. Ollie.
Hello, let's get it done.
Right, so guys, we're picking up the Range Rover. I got quoted 500 quid. 500 quid yesterday, and then this guy here says, nah man, I got a van, we'll go get it ourselves. We gotta get the trailer.
Billings us to get the trailer.
So we're getting trailer, and then we're heading down to Copart. So I'll see you guys once I get the trailer, and I'll see you guys, yeah, you'll see, just watch, you'll see.
Let's do it.
Cool. Okay guys, trailer picked up, secured. Don't damage anything, like.
Hope not.
Let go! How long have we been driving?
Nearly 2 hours.
We got the truck, got the trailer, and literally we're just chilling, 2 hours, still got about another hour to go. Ollie then says, D, we haven't got any straps to strap the car. You know what? I'm laughing, but it's actually scary because we can't drive the car back if we don't get straps. Yeah, we need to sort something out. But yeah, guys, it's all an adventure. You're gonna be here to see it. Will we get straps? Will we get the car back?
Bloody hope so.
I'll let you guys know in a bit. Stay tuned. Let's just try tool station. So apparently there's a tool station around here and there's a screw fix around here as well. So hopefully they've got what we need. I blame Ollie.
Oh, of course he does.
Yeah. Get the strap. All right, I'm gonna pop in.
A few moments later.
Guys, £77.70. What a silly mistake to make. But we got what we need. Let's continue. Guys, we have arrived at Copart Sandwich. Now it's time to play a little waiting game. They're very funny about high vis, so let me get this on and we're gonna talk to you. All right guys, all suited and booted. They're doing it a little bit different, which is good. Normally on the day when you get your car, they have to wait for ages and ages, but now, isn't it, Ollie? It's actually really good. We can see the car in the back. They've got all the cars that are due for collection today, and I can see my car, and yeah, just gotta wait until it comes. So I'll catch up with you once it arrives. As soon as I said it, the guy over there just came over and told Ollie off for not having a high vis. He had a reflective, but not a high vis. And Ollie, you gave your last high vis to me. Thank you.
I know, I'm a nice guy, right? Looking after him.
So yeah, he's waiting for us. He's told us what to do. So we're gonna do that now. Copart are actually getting better. This is actually, I've picked up a few cars from Copart in my time, and this is a lot more streamlined. So look, all of these cars over there are getting collected. And if you guys don't know, there we go. Little rangy Rover. Look at it. Woo! The car is dropped. This is a 2017 Range Rover Evoque HSC top model. Wait until you see the state of this car. And it's fully loaded, but it's got some issues. We'll get into that later on. Let's get it strapped down and head back to the unit. Yes guys, Ramsgate, KFC, dinner's served. This is how we do it. On the side of the motorway, everything's falling, but guess what? This is stolen recovered. And guys, if you're OG on the channel, you know that I had one of these and it was stolen off me. So I understand how easy it is to steal these things. I understand what it takes to steal it, and I understand what it takes to make it relatively safe. Yeah, safe.
Yeah, I'll check it.
So once we get back, we will be dissecting everything. It is disgusting inside. It's an absolute mess. It's got 2 keys, but the 2 keys are not responding, and I think I know why. I think that when this car was stolen, those 2 keys would have been erased from the car's memory, and I reckon that these are the 2 original keys that came with the car after the car was recovered. So I've got a computer. I'm gonna try to do it myself, but if I can't, I'll have to get someone in. But anyway, I'm gonna munch, and I'll see you guys once I get back to the SN garage. Guys, there's 2 things you can count on in dear old England: crap weather and traffic. Still got an hour and a half to go. It's been a long day, boys. It's been a long day. So guys, we got the boot open and just look at this mess. Oh man, just look at this mess. Look at this mess. Got to start to plug all of these connections back in. All of these are your antennas for the GPS and the SOS system, and they don't want these cars to be found, so they just pull, rip and get rid of them. The interior, I don't even want to touch anything. It's struggling with mold everywhere, and there's just a pile of junk. And when you try to switch it on with the power connected, it's not picking up the keys. So let's explore. You're not just an electrician, you're now a cameraman.
Best cameraman in the world.
So guys, we've done a little bit of investigating, and have a look. Come on, Ollie. Ollie, come. Have a look here. It looks like there's some sort of inhibitor, box, immobilizer. This is aftermarket, and this is all wired into all of these plugs. I'm not even getting any power, any ignition, anything. Like, what is in here? Fuses, and definitely something's been removed from this side of things. I'm gonna get some gloves. We're gonna start to clear all of this mess. Firstly, before we even do anything, like, we should have just done that from before, innit, Ollie? Let's just get all of this mess. I've got the rubbish bin there. Ollie went ahead and grabbed that. Nice one, man.
Ready to go.
Yeah. Hopefully there's no rats in there, man. I swear to God, if I see a rat in there, you're doing it.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
I'm not touching that if rats are in there. Guys, this is the 3rd one we found now. Like, what were they burning with butane gas? Like, what's this? That looks a bit kinky.
Hello.
Hello. Guys, there's an absolute tip site in here. What the hell? What? Ollie, what a day.
What a day.
Guys, look at all of this. We still haven't done anything. Key box, KVM, fuse box, body control module. We've got a power issue. I don't know if something's been cut, but it's not getting the power that it needs. But I've just confirmed that the keys that I've got with the car is working, because the ignition just came on when I pressed the button by giving this power. I need to investigate and see why this is not getting any power. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, Ollie, so plug the KVM back in for me. Yeah, buddy. So guys, Ollie's just closed the boot on the Range Rover, and this is where we're gonna close this day. The birds are singing, it's getting late. We gave it a good go, we still can't get it started. This trailer has to be back by 11 AM tomorrow, so I'm gonna come in super early and we're gonna hit it again. Ollie, thanks again for today, bro.
No worries.
I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright you guys, next morning, my guy Ollie's come back down, and this has got me a bit peeved. Trying to get the car off the trailer so we can take it back. We got like literally an hour to get this trailer back. This is a stress. I'm not cutting any of this out, innit, Ollie? This is the stress of having damaged cars, salvaged cars.
It's a bit unknown.
Like literally super early in the morning, and we're dealing with this mess. But we need to get it off. But I've been Googling, and I'm told that if I take this out, That's what Ollie's doing now. There should be a switch down in there to get it into neutral. So that should be neutral technically. Now we've got electric handbrake to deal with. Quick update, I'm still not getting the ignition, but I was able to connect to the body control module with my diagnostic tool here. The electronic handbrake has been disengaged, so Ollie's just swinging the van around and we should be technically able to get the car off. It's not the end game, however, it's a good step because we can get the car off the trailer and return the trailer on time and not have to pay fines and not have to book it for another day. So yeah, that's one positive from a very crappy situation.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh guys, listen, you don't understand how much of a relief that is. Ollie?
I think we've got about half an hour to get this trailer back, haven't we?
Yeah. It's gotta go. Don't forget, when you go back, don't forget quick door.
Yeah.
So there you have it, guys. Range Rover is on the floor. Woo! So Ollie's gonna head back, take this back, and I'm gonna stress. I'm gonna have a look around, and if I can't figure out anything, we're just gonna do a full tour of the car and we'll start to wrap up.
5 hours later.
Alright guys, so it's just gone 2 p.m. and I've not really made a lot of progress, and these are the ups and downs that you're seeing in the salvage game. I'm still optimistic and I'm going to show you why. I've not been able to get the car to start. However, I've been able to identify something that I think this is the issue. Let me explain. This is the body control module. I've checked all the wiring. I can't see anything physically wrong with it. So I stuck it on the diagnostic tool. It's actually coming up. You should see it on the screen right now. It's saying that the software within this module is either corrupted or it's been wiped, but it's missing some software. So this is not functioning properly, and everything that's not working on this car, ignition, steering lock, electronic brake lock, everything is controlled by this bad boy, or it's in conjunction with this bad boy. So guys, if you remember last year, I had one of these Range Rover Evoques and it got stolen literally 2 weeks after I got it. Yeah, bad memories. But I bought a lot of parts for that car that I wanted to use on this car, and that's one of the reasons I bought this one. But another thing that I bought was this bad boy. Oh, it's so heavy. This is a giant laptop, and this is loaded with a bunch of software that is needed for coding and programming on Range Rovers. This can reprogram the body control module, so I was like, happy days. However, I can't find the VCI. So the VCI is needed to connect this to the car, and it needs to be a special one for Range Rovers, and I had it and I cannot find it. So that's super frustrating. So there's not a lot that I can do. I don't just want to leave the car here. I don't want to be stuck. So I've actually got someone coming down. I'm going to pay an arm and a leg on a Saturday to come out late, and hopefully he can do it. Let's walk around the car. I'll show you exactly what I'm working with and why I'm still optimistic. On the rear of the car, there's not much damage other than what we've seen inside. You can see Evoque HSC. Apparently that's a top model, but if you know, do let me know. The wheels and tires are really good. It's an Evoque, so I knew what I was getting. In the pictures on Copart, I saw all of this tape, and you can see. So I thought all the windows were broken, but it's because the body control module controls the windows as well. If you look closely, you can see the glass is there. So that's a plus. The windows are not broken. Another big issue that I've got is all this mold. Have a look at that. There's tons of mold on the interior. Once again, this is probably sat in a yard with all the windows open, collecting moisture when it rains, heating up when it's hot, and yeah, perfect breeding ground for all that mold. If you've got any ideas how to get rid of mold in a vehicle, do let me know. Have a look down here. There's no damage on this passenger side. Now this little trim has got a little bit of a graze in there, but we can sort that out. Coming around to the front end, there's not a lot of damage other than here. And this is one of the things I was saying. I've actually got this bumper brand new upstairs. It's been sat as part of a kit. I got a front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, all the sporty bits. It's been sat upstairs for years. So I'm gonna get that down, swap that out. This side, there's not a lot of damage. This side, have a look. If you look beyond all the grub and everything, you can see that it's actually a nice, clean car underneath. It's only got 48,000 miles on the clock, 2 keys, full service history. It's got Meridian audio. Have a look at that massive glass roof. It's a really nice car. Gonna make someone really happy, and this should be a really good flip. once I get it running. But I've taken a punt on it and there's only one way to find out. So guys, there you have it. You've seen collection. You've seen the headache that I've had trying to get it off the trailer. Once Matey Boy gets down, we might be able to get it running and driving in the next episode. Who knows? If I can get this one turned around, if I can get it done, get it started, get it tidied up, get it cleaned up, this should be a lovely flip. You've seen how much I paid for this car. 9,008 was the winning bid. They wanted 13. I stuck to my guns. They gave it to me. I ended up spending about 10.4 with all the fees. That is an absolute steal for what I'm getting. HPI clear. If you want to see how we get on, make sure you press the subscribe button. Make sure your bells are on. If you've liked this episode, press the like button. Stay tuned to the next episode to see if it was worth it. So like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, I just wanted to introduce you. This is Ozzy. Ozzy specializes in Land Rover. Actually, you tell us, what do you guys do?
We do car keys and vehicle electronics.
Man, I hope it starts. No.
Oh.
Yep.
You know
engine.
what that means, don't it?
Shagged engine. Copart special.
Copart special.
No way.
Compression sound, innit?
Yeah. Stolen, recovered, sorted it all out. No compression, you can hear that.